There's another load over the hill.
Another night in Sparks and we'll mark up for a run back to Roseville. A lot of fruits and vegetables coming out of the Central Valley.
They have us running hard during the picking season. There's a good chance that we can sign up for empty reefers heading west.
That'd be a nice run, and the weather should be good tomorrow.
Let's hope we are high on the seniority list for tomorrow.
You never know who's ahead of you when you come in on an extra.
There's our signal to cut loose from the train.
Let's go get the caboose, head to the roundhouse, then to the steakhouse.
I think a stop at the boarding house is in order before the steakhouse.
Good idea.